Hello, my name is Line.
And I'm Victor.
And we're from Denmark. We spent 5 of our nights in Bali here at Tony's Villas and Resort, and we just had the most amazing time here. We spent most of our time just chilling at one of the 3 really great pools and just eating the great food at the restaurant. And the staff has just in general been so nice and helpful with everything that we needed to make this an unforgettable stay here in Bali.
Yeah, they helped us arrange a cooking class where we tried to make 5 different Balinese courses with some different cooking techniques. And we went to the market to buy some ingredients and tried some fruit that they have here in Bali that we don't have in Denmark. So yeah, that was really great.
Yeah, it was a great experience and something that we wouldn't have done otherwise coming here. So we just had an amazing stay, and we're really going to recommend this place to all of our friends and family. And hopefully we'll come back very soon.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, thank you so much. Suksuma.
Suksuma, bye.
Bye.